Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Revision. I'm Harshma and this is the part 17 of the video series HTML and CSS for the beginners. In this video, we talk about pseudo classes. So let's go to our screen and find out what it is. For this tutorial, I have created this boilerplate. Let me show you how it looks without the CSS. Right click, open with live server. Here it is. Now back to the business. What is pseudo classes? Pseudo class is nothing, just a colon notation before the element, like this: p hover background green. Let me show you what will happen when we hover on our paragraph. Background color change to green. Let me show you the practical example for the hover class. ul li display inline block. Let's check what the result. This is quite similar to our traditional horizontal nav bar. Let me add some more style in it. This kind of descendant selection we have studied in the previous video, which you can check from I button or in the description box. Text decoration none. Color right. Font width 700. Let's check. It's looking nice. And now I want to change this color while hovering on the link. So for this, copy the selection. Colon over background color. Background color blue and color is white. Now we can change the background color while hovering and text color as well. And now let me add some CSS to our button to look nice and good. Background color, border radius, .28 pixels, border 1 pixel, solid this color, display inline block. Color white, font family Arial. Font size 17 pixel. Give some padding. 15 pixel. 17. 30 pixel. Text decoration. Text shadow. 0 pixels. 1 pixel. 0 pixel. I have already written this value in the notepad. Let me show you this one. So let me check. It's looking fine. Only this outline. Outline style. Outline none. Person pointer. Now we can add the hover state something like this. Button colon over background color white, black, font weight bold, border radius 0 pixel. See this is due to because this hover class. I will show you some animation tricks also in this section. Transition. Three seconds. Let me show. See the transition phase. Let's speed up the animation. Just adding 0.3 seconds and 0.3 seconds there. And now it's looking good and smooth, not like this. Now we talk about another pseudo class, nth child. So what is nth child? In this HTML we have a div section with a 7 paragraph p tag. In some cases we have to add specific style for a specific element. For that we have to use nth class, such as like this. Second box tag, first child. Background color blue. Color white. Look at the web page. Let me explain what is happening. In this second box class div, we have these 7 paragraphs. First paragraph 1 is the first child of this second box div. So our style is added to the first paragraph. Similarly, we can use last child as well as. Now our style is added to the last child of the second section, and we can also add numbers to execute specific element like this. I put 2 in this bracket and affected the second paragraph. The practical usage is seem like we add even to it. Now the style is added to our even paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Likewise, we can use odd, as you guessed. Here, red. The practical application for this exercise, I believe, to have a data table, something like this, with a sample data, and we use this nth-1 for customizing the data, like this. tr nth child even. Background color, font size CCC. These are the most common use of pseudo classes. You can dive deeper in more detail from the MTN article. Here you can check all the available pseudo classes and try it yourself. That's all for now. Thank you for watching this video till the end. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Code Fusion and hit the bell icon. And please follow me on Instagram also with the username handle #GSDev. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care. I will see you in the next video.